In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to create a project in Asana. First, open Asana in your browser and head to the workspace where you want this project to live. You'll land on your home or projects area, and that's perfect. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right team or space so the project is created in the correct place for your organization. Next, look for the plus icon in the Asana header. It's typically in the top bar and is your quick entry point for adding new items. Click that plus icon, then choose New Project. This opens Asana's project creation flow, which walks you through the essentials without overwhelming you. You'll be presented with options for how to start. Select Blank Project. Templates are great when you already have a repeatable workflow, but starting blank gives you full control and keeps things simple for this walkthrough. Now, add a clear, descriptive project name. Good names make your work easier to find and understand later. Consider including a purpose or time frame, like Website Refresh Q3 or Customer Onboarding Pipeline. If your team uses naming conventions, follow those so everything stays organized and searchable. Click Continue to move forward. This confirms your basic setup and takes you into a few helpful configuration choices. Don't worry, none of these are permanent, and you can adjust most of them after the project is created. You may see an option to publish rule. Go ahead and click that. In Asana, rules are simple automations that help keep tasks moving without manual updates. Publishing the default rule here ensures your project has a baseline automation in place. It's a small step that prevents busy work later and keeps your board tidy. Next, choose the views for your project. Asana lets you enable multiple views so different teammates can work the way they prefer. List is great for detailed task work and quick scanning. Board gives you a Kanban-style flow, so you can drag items between stages. Timeline helps you visualize dependencies and scheduling across days or weeks. Calendar is perfect for date-heavy work like campaigns and content. Pick the views that match how your team plans and tracks progress. You can always add or switch views later as your needs evolve. Finally, click Create a Project. Asana will generate your new space with the name, rule, and views you selected. You'll land inside the project, ready to start organizing sections and adding tasks whenever you're ready. That's it. Your project is live, cleanly structured, and set up to scale with your workflow.